What you're about to see, unless you're 40% of the people that click on my videos, is what was originally going to be a how to install wiper blades on this particular car video, and I was going through the instructions for that car, but it turned into an example of aftermarket parts just not quite fitting right. Let's take a look. This generation Crosstrek uses a 16-inch blade on the passenger side and a 26-inch on the driver's side. Grab an old microfiber towel, put it under the wiper blade, look for the little square on the end of the wiper arm. Push the piece of plastic inside that square down, and at the same time pull outward on the wiper blade. Make sure it's high enough so you don't hit the body on its way out, and make sure you don't damage the nozzle sprayer right here. If you bought an original equipment wiper blade, it should be ready to go right out of the box. But if you bought an aftermarket one that has an adapter for all the different types, you may have to build your adapter.
Hey bud.
Hey.
Any way you can be riding into town?
I can't, sorry.
Alright.
Some designs will go completely inside, whereas others will slide on top as well. For this Rain-X wiper, I actually had to break off the tabs that are used for a different connector to get this to fit, because the sprayer nozzle was preventing it from sliding in all the way. After you push it on, make sure that you pull on it to make sure that it's locked into place. You don't want this coming off when you need it most. Also, make sure that you remove the protective strip on the bottom. So I really have to modify these wiper blades a lot to get them to fit. For one, these tabs need to come off. Then there's a little ledge right here on both sides. That one is getting in the way. All right. So this is an example of why it's sometimes just better to get an OEM part. I've installed a ton of those wiper blades on people's cars and I've never encountered that problem. I guess this is just an example of one car and one product that just don't get along very well. The adapter on that Rain-X wiper blade is actually a very impressive piece of engineering. It fits a whole bunch of different designs in that one piece, and you don't have to swap out anything, you just take parts off. That brand and model of wiper blade is a really good wiper blade. I've had lots of good experiences with it, it's just today wasn't one of them. I recommend them for whatever cars they fit, which is a whole bunch of them, but just not that one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Car Simplified video.